How to sharpen your rotary blades. I got this rotary blade sharpener off of Amazon. Basically, you pop your rotary blade, mine's already in there, you screw it together and you go round and round. My rotary blades, I've got two and they're very sharp, well, very blunt should I say. And they've gone very blunt because I've been using them to cut vinyl and different bits and pieces. So this is the coarse side, then you turn it over and then you use the other side and keep turning it. Then you do the other side. Be careful not to touch the blade while you're sharpening it because it may be a lot more sharper than it was previously and you might catch a fright. You might get a very big shock if you touched it when you took it off and you touch it now. So I'm not going to risk it, but that's how you sharpen it. So to undo it, you screw it. I used my glue gun to take off the excess glue and different bits and pieces that was on my rotary blade before I put it in there. So this is my Fiskars rotary blade, and I have also this one. They move in different ways. So you want to pop that back in there. I will show you the different ways that these blades move. I'm not scared to touch it, but I just don't want to get a fright. Okay, let's do this. Right, I'm going to pop it on like that. And then I'm going to look. There it goes. Right back in. Always be careful when you're touching rotary blades because they can be incredibly sharp. And this Fiskars rotary blade is really good because you can, if you're right-handed or left-handed, you can change the blade. You can either have it on this side or you can have it on this side, depending on where your hands are. So the difference between these rotary blades are, this one pops out this way, this one pops out this way. So you're cutting at different angles. I find this one easier to use because you cut like this. This one, you have to cut more like this. And this one's got a handle, so I feel more secure that I'm not just going to go whoop and then so either way, either one is good. But that's how you sharpen your rotary blades. I'm just going to do this one now. So, sorry, that's my alarm. So this one, you screw it off by the back, but make sure you pop it into the safety thing first. Unscrew it. And then this one comes with a little washer. So you pop your washer, and whenever you do take off a washer, check which side it's popping up so you know, because you don't want to put it on the wrong way. I don't think it will matter that much, but let's just stick to the product guidelines. And then you pop it out. I've already cleaned this one with the glue gun on one side. And then you get your sharpener, pop it in, turn it round, and then you get the coarse side and you give it some spins. Spinny, 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 twirly, twirly, twirly. I had another one which was a rotary sharpener that you do that with, and it broke and I was gutted because I loved it. So we're going to give this one a few more turns. Pop it down. Gently grab the other side. We don't want no whoopsies. And turn it, 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 turn it.
Is the yellow bit important?
Yeah, the yellow bit is the coarse side. It's just like the hard side basically. And then the other side is just the finery side, just to smooth it down a bit.
Do you put glue on that one?
Yeah, I did put glue on. I already cleaned it before I started the video. And then you have a nicer sharp blade. Would I recommend this? Yes, because if you have a 60mm rotary blade, the blades are very expensive. If you've got the smaller blade, they're quite cheap. But these ones are very expensive. So I would recommend getting a sharpener because it's just, not everybody has money like that, especially after Corona, we're all broke. So let's pop this in. Remember to keep the washer the right side up and pop the screw on.
Do you turn the washer or you turn the...
Wait a minute, I've put the screw on the wrong side. See, look at me giving tutorials and I'm doing it wrong myself. Imagine people, but we all live and learn. There we go. That's the right way to do it. No, it's not. Okay, we're going to have to delete this bit of the video. In fact, no, I'm going to keep it because we all make mistakes, but we live and we learn. All I was focusing on was the washer. Maybe I just didn't screw it as much. Yeah, that's the way to do it. It was the right way all along. There we go. And now we have 2 sharp blades. But remember, people, whenever you're using these, remember to close them, because there was one day I was using this one and I was talking on the phone, didn't close it, it fell, landed on my toe, and it was so don't do that. Always remember to keep your safety devices. That's why Fiskars have done this. It's so easy to just turn it off. This one's a bit harder, but yeah, either way, turn them off. This is a rotary blade sharpener I got from Amazon. So easy to use, and it will save you some money. Thanks for watching. Bye.